Don Delaney, owner of Electric Motors Lift Station Service. We're here today to take you on a little tour of our 12,000 square foot shop in Clearwater, Florida. We're now in our new inventory warehouse. This is where we keep all of our new HCP pumps. We currently have in stock 1 horse through 20 horsepower up to 6-inch discharge. This is also an area where we keep our new electric motor inventory from 1 horse through 75 in stock here in Clearwater. We also have in stock with our motors through 600 horse in Mississippi. We also have parts, capacitor bearings, contactors, anything that the art industry would need. This is where it all starts. When the motors and the pumps come in for the repair, so we can put together a quote for the customer, back through here is the disassemble. That's where it all starts. We'll check them, we'll disassemble them, we'll go through, we mic everything, we look at everything, and then it kind of ends up back here too. This is where we assemble them, put them back together, and then from there they go to the paint, and they're primered and painted. They're inspected one more final time, and then they're ready to go back to the customer. Shafts, anything that needs to be repaired with our grinders and lathes is where we do it right here. This is our rewind room. This is a climate control room. We keep it about 78 degrees in here all the time. We keep all our wire, everything we need, the insulation, anything we need for the rewinding of the motors. We keep it clean, dust free, it doesn't get wet. This is where the rewinding is all done. We can rewind from about 1 horsepower through 1,000 horsepower. This machine here we use for all of our balancing. If we do any welding on a shaft or a rotor, or we machined anything, an impeller, and once it's trimmed to where it needs to be, we can use this machine right here to bring it back into balance. And what that does, that gives life to the bearings. We eliminate vibrations and premature bearing failure. And we try to do, or we do this with everything that's been machined or comes in, rotors, whatever. We check them, look at them, make sure everything's in balance. What we have here is a tank, a water tank that we have put together that actually simulates a lift station. And what we can do with this thing, once we get a pump done before it's painted and shipped out, we'll put it in this tank. We'll look for 3 things. One of them would be leakage, to make sure none of the seals are leaking, make sure that everything's good there. Then we'll run the pump and we can check gallons per minute, and we can check head pressure. And that makes us 100% sure that by the time the customer gets the pump back, that there'll be no problems in the field.